fan, if you can even hear me. And it's gonna be a riot. We got a Specimen out here, CJ's out here. Boss Life was gonna be out here, but he wasn't able to make it. Anyhow, pretty much everybody else is out here to drive, and it's gonna be a riot.
Drop that bitch. Drop that.
Alright, Dustin hit the wall pretty hard, and the wall hit him back.
Pump up the bass line.
Popping bottles, knocking models. I wanna bump a beat that goes hard. I wanna bump a beat that goes hard. Popping bottles, knocking models. Popping bottles, knocking models. Popping bottles, knocking models. I wanna bump a beat that goes hard. Pop it.